by DroneLife staff writer Ian J. McNabb, a partnership between Japanese and Mongolian UAV and healthcare organizations recently completed a blood delivery between an Ulaanbataar hospital and transfusion center with the intention of eventually establishing regular medical delivery services in the area. Aeronext, NewCom Group, Seino and KDDI Smart jointly announced the demonstration flight, which took place over a 9.5 kilometers span earlier this year. Japan, Mongolia drone delivery blood supplies. Ulaanbataar, the capital of Mongolia, is a difficult environment for UAV operations with high winds, significant altitude, and extremely low temperatures. However, due to its high congestion and population density, roughly half of Mongolia's entire population lives within city limits. There's a significant need for increased UAV infrastructure, especially as air pollution rises. After the Mongolia New Smart Logistics Symposium 2023, a working group was established to try and develop drone delivery and other advanced air infrastructure projects in the region. This project is the latest accomplishment of the working group as they worked towards regular flight operations. According to the press release, this was the first ever logistics flight to feature Level 4 BVLOS operation over a populated area at -15 degrees Celsius, 5 degrees Fahrenheit, at an altitude of 1,300 meters. The UAV used was the Air Truck Logistics drone, jointly developed by Aeronext and ACSL with a 5 kg payload and a maximum range of 20 kilometers. Other recent advances in drone medical flights include recent drone deliveries of over 6,000 vaccine doses to remote areas of the Ethiopian highlands, also at significant altitude, by Swoop Aero, an Australian firm.